Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says which of the following species does do not exist. ठीक है, so let's do the question. First option is oxygen tetrafluoride. ठीक है बच्चों, to exist this molecule the central atom should have a hybridization of sp3d hybridization where presence of d orbital in the central atom is required. ठीक है, if you see the electronic configuration of oxygen, it is 1s2 2s2 and 2p4. So there is no 2d orbital, which is also not a possible orbital according to the quantum mechanics theory. ठीक है, and if you see, due to the absence of this 2d orbital, sp3d hybridization is not possible with the central atom, and therefore this molecule will not exist. In case of NH2 anion, amide anion, ठीक है, amide ion, the central atom is nitrogen and here the hybridization is sp3 and the structure is angular. ठीक है, this is the structure of amide ion. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे hybridization is sp3 which is possible with the nitrogen as a central atom. So this molecule will exist. In case of NCl5, here also the central atom is nitrogen and the hybridization should be sp3d, and in case of nitrogen also there is no d orbital. As you see, the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2 2s2 2p3. There is no d orbital, therefore sp3d hybridization is not possible and this molecule will not exist. ठीक है, in case of D, it is ICl3 2 minus. ठीक है बच्चों, यहाँ पे the hybridization of iodine is sp3d2. ठीक है बच्चों, and आयोडीन के पास आपका d ऑर्बिटल होता है तो ये हाइब्रिडाइजेशन पॉसिबल हो सकता है. बट इफ यू सी फॉर sp3d2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन द ज्योमेट्री इज octahedral. It is octahedral. But let's see the number of bond pair here. The number of bond pair here it is 3 and number of lone pair is also 3. ठीक है, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर अराउंड द सेंट्रल एटम इन sp3d2 हाइब्रिडेशन कितने होते हैं बच्चों, 6 होते हैं, एंड बॉन्ड पेयर अगर 3 है तो लोन पेयर कितना होगा, 3 होगा. अब ऑक्टाहेड्रल ज्योमेट्री में द स्टेबल स्ट्रक्चर आर पॉसिबल व्हेन द बॉन्ड पेयर is 6 or bond pair is 5 or lone pair is 1 or bond pair is 4 and lone pair is 2. तो 6 में डायरेक्टली ऑक्टाहेड्रल होगा. व्हेन बॉन्ड पेयर इज 5 एंड लोन पेयर इज 1, इट इज स्क्वायर पिरामिडल. ठीक है, इट इज स्क्वायर पिरामिडल. ठीक है, but in case of bond pair is 4 and lone pair is 2, then it is square planar. It is square planar. Here the lone pair will acquire the axial position in octahedral case. ठीक है, so बच्चों octahedral case में suppose it is, let's draw the octahedral structure. ठीक है, ये आपका octahedral structure में आपका square planar possible हो सकता है. This is possible with 2 lone pair. ठीक है, and octahedral में square pyramidal भी possible हो सकता है due to presence of 1 lone pair. But in the presence of 3 lone pair, this geometry will not exist. ठीक है, with 3 bond pair and 3 lone pair, the force of the electronic repulsion के वजह से the structure will not be stable and this molecule will not exist. It's not because of the availability of orbitals, it because due to the presence of 3 bond pair and 3 lone pair, the structure or geometry will not have the minimum energy. The energy will be high and the molecule will be unstable. So this molecule will not exist on that ground. ठीक है, so the correct option is A, C and D. These molecule will not exist. The correct option are A, C and D. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.